Hi students, it's Mrs. Porter here to talk to you about your first math diagnostic for this school year and also the launch of Level Up. First, make sure that the page in front of you has your name in the top corner. These pages are personalized just for you. Your score from your first diagnostic test is already printed on your page under the column for Diagnostic 1. Find your score. Grab a pencil and put a dot where your score falls on this chart. For my sample student Lucy, who scored a 459, we're going to place a dot towards the bottom of the 4th grade row on this chart. Figure out where your dot needs to be. Teachers, you may pause the video here to assist students until everyone has completed this step. If you're like Lucy, you may find that you have some catching up to do on your skills. Because of that, we have given you growth goals. Down at the bottom, you will find a personal growth goal to reach by the 2nd diagnostic, and you have one to reach by the 3rd diagnostic. These are the number of points we want to see your diagnostic score grow by at each of these testing times. So how are you going to reach that growth goal? Let's take a look at the Start of School Pledge, where we have listed tips of things you can do every day to help make sure you're growing your math skills. Read these along with me and check them off as we talk about these tips. First, take your time and don't rush through your iReady lessons. Listen actively to all lesson tutorials. Read questions and answer choices carefully. Write notes during your tutorials and work out your problems on paper. And double-check any answers before you move on. If you complete your iReady lessons with these tips in mind, they will really help you catch up on your skills. Now, let's sign your pledge to make your commitment to follow these tips this year. Finally, let's take a look at your weekly goals that will help you improve your math skills and catch up. First, you should be passing 2 or more lessons every single week in iReady. The more you pass, the more skills you're catching up on. You should have a total of 45 minutes or more time on task. Your iReady screen keeps track of your time on task for the week. Make sure by Friday you're at 45 or higher. And if you're in grades 2 through 5, you need to also be making sure that you are completing 4 days a week of Fluency Flight, working to master your math facts quickly and accurately. I'll be visiting classrooms monthly with recognition for those who have met these Level Up goals. And I'll be watching for that 2nd diagnostic score in December, awarding prizes to everyone who reaches their growth goal. So it's time to get to work and close up those gaps in your math skills. Just keep growing.